Now we discuss lecture number 12, chart based on price scale. With divided type of charts on the basis of price scale, we have three main chart formations that will be drawn on price. The first chart will be line chart, the second chart will be bar chart, and the third form of chart is candlestick chart. Line chart only represent the closing price of that time frame. If I use a daily chart, then every day closing price is connected with a series of line that is considered to be a line chart. Do not provide information on trading range. In the line charts, we are not getting whole price range. That means we cannot draw open, high, low and close at the same point of time. You can also draw a line chart on a single price information, that is open or low or high or maybe a close. As you see a sample of line chart on your screens, on the y-axis you see a price information and the x-axis you see a time information, and the series of points are connected through a line. That example is for the line chart. Now we discuss bar chart. Bar chart represent the whole price range of the day. That means for the day we get open, high, low and close. That is not shown in the line chart. That means bar chart are more advanced than line chart. Each bar represent only one day price action. On the left hand side, tick shows open price, and on the right hand side it shows a close price. Now we see an example which describes the formation of bar chart. As you see in the formation of bar chart on your screens, the first bar represent a green color. On the left hand side you see a open, on the right hand side you see a close, then at the top point is high and the low point is low. On the right hand side you see a red bar that show, on the left hand side you show an open, then the right hand side you show a close, at the bottom it shows low, and at the top it shows high. The green or the red color will depend upon the open and close. If the close is greater than opening price, it shows green or a positive movement. If the closing price is less than the open, it shows in red or a negative formation. As you see an example of bar chart on your screens, on the y axis you see a price, on the x-axis you see a time, and every data point is represented in a bar chart. The green bar chart represent positive movement and the red bar chart shows a negative movement. Now we discuss a candlestick charts. Candlestick charts are originated in Japan. This chart methods used in early mid 1600 to trade rice futures in the Japanese market. As you show in your picture, thin lines are called as shadow and the wider portions are called as real body. Technical tools rely on color and size of individual candlestick to trade signals. As you see on your screen, the formation of candlestick chart, it is look like similar to bar charts, but the formation is little bit different and which give a close visual representation of the price movement. Here we see the close is greater than opening, and that is shown by a box. That box is called as real body. The upper shadow or the thin line above real body is called as upper shadow, and the thin line below the body is called as lower shadow. In the right hand side, the close is less than opening, that shows by a red candle. The opening and the closing difference is called as real body, and the upper shadow and the lower shadow will be done on above the real body or below the real body. Green candles show an increasing price movement, we also called as bullish candlestick, and the red candle shows a decreasing price movement, that shows a bearish candlestick pattern. Now as you see an example on your screen of a candlestick chart, on the price will be shown on y-axis and the time is shown on the x-axis, and every data point is connected in the form of candlestick chart. The green candles are shown a bullish movement or a positive movement, whereas a red candle shows a decreasing or a negative movement. Now there are some benefits of candlestick patterns. Most of the traders use the candlestick pattern to get into a conclusive study. Candlestick charts are used by the traders to determine possible price movement based on the past patterns. Candlesticks are used when trading as they shown 4 price plottings: open, high, low and close throughout the period of time the trader specifies. Many algorithms trading systems are based on the price information given by the candlestick charts. Trading is often dictated by emotion, and candlestick charts are the best form of emotions and mass psychology.